Welcome back, my little artists. Today we are going to continue our Harry Potter series. So today we're going to make a cute little Harry Potter puppet. All right. So this is just made out of a simple toilet paper tube. Then you need some paper. I used white paper and I had some black paper I used for the cape. If you don't have black paper, simple, you can just color white paper black. All right. So let's get started. All right. So I started by cutting a strip of paper, okay? It's probably about 1.5 inches wide, okay? It doesn't matter. It doesn't need to cover your whole piece, your whole toilet paper roll, because this part's going to be the face, and you're going to cover over part of it, so it's not a big deal. I'm going to hold this, and then I'm going to take it around, and then all that excess paper there, I'm going to cut it off, because I don't need it. Okay, and then I'm going to lay my paper down, and in the middle, I'm going to draw two circles, and you want them a little ways apart because you're going to put glasses around them for the eyes. Okay, and I left a little hole there. I don't know if you could see it for the white part and of the eye. And then this is the glasses part. And I'm going to go around it a couple of times to make the rim of the glasses kind of thick. So I'm just making a circle around it. Okay, then I'm going to do the arch for the nose, just like this. That's the little piece that holds the glasses together. Then I might take a slant back for the part of the glasses that goes back. Then I'm going to do a little smile for that part. All right. Then for the eyebrows, I'm going to take some brown for the eyebrows, and then right above the eyebrow, okay, on this side, I believe it's on this side. You Harry Potter fans can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to make my my little scar, the lightning bolt scar, okay? Then for the hair, I'm going to take a black crayon or colored pencil, and I'm going to you could do it brown or you could do it black, either one. His hair is kind of dark, so you could do black and brown, either one. Okay, I know there's a lot of Harry Potter fans out there, so you may, I've just seen a part of the movie. I know I shouldn't say that out loud, should I? So, if you know something that would make it even look more authentic, then you go for it. Then I'm going to take my peach crayon, and I'm going to color the face around it peach. Okay, and I want to even do back behind the glasses because you can see through the glasses. Okay, so once that is all peach, and you're not going to be able to tell too much on my camera screen that it's peach, but I can tell that it's peach in real life. Okay, then I'm going to take this and I'm going to glue this to my toilet paper roll. Okay. All right, let's get that done, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've got this all glued on, and the next thing I'm going to do is I cut another thin strip. I kind of measured, and it can overlap a little bit. I kind of measured to see how wide I needed it, but then again, I'm going to cut it I'm going to measure how long I need it to be and then cut that excess off. Okay? Then I'm going to take this piece here. I'm going to draw a gray line down the center of it, and it doesn't have to be in the middle. I actually wanted the top half to be a little bit more gray than the bottom half. So I'm going to color this in top half in gray and the bottom half black. That's going to be my pants. Okay, and this is what it ends up looking like. Then I'm going to glue this onto my Harry Potter toilet paper roll. I'm going to line that up. And that's going to be the sweater here and then his black pants. All right, I'm going to glue that on and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, here's my Harry Potter. And now he needs a tie. He has a red and yellow tie. So I'm going to show you how to make that tie. You just need a little piece of paper. You don't need very big. You're going to make two lines like you're going to make a triangle, but you're not going to go clear down to the bottom to make a triangle. Okay, then you're going to go outwards because that's kind of how a tie does. Okay, and then you're going to go in again like you're making another triangle, just like that. That is what a tie looks like. Then you're going to alternate red and yellow. Okay, so you're just going to alternate, then you're going to cut that out, and I'll show you how to add the collar, all right? All right, now I have my little tie. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back, and I'm just going to set it right there below his mouth, and then I cut a really, really, really thin strip of white paper, okay? And what I want that to do is it's going to angle like it is the collar of the shirt. So I'm going to take this and just angle it just like that where it's the collar of the shirt. And I'll put a little bit of glue right here. Okay, and sometimes the collar of the shirt kind of overlaps the tie a little bit, and that's okay if it does. As I go around, I'll put little dots of glue. Whoop. Okay, and then I'm going to angle it going the same way. I didn't angle it going the same way. There we go. So now I'm going to glue that down on this side. Okay, so here is my Harry Potter and his tie. Now the last thing I need is my cape. Now I'm going to use black paper, but you could use white paper and color it black if you want. I'm going to put a white piece down so you can see my black paper. Then I'm going to take a white crayon so you can see me drawing on it. Okay. Then I'm going to simply, kind of like I did with the tie, I'm going to draw out like this. Okay. Now, his cape does not need to be very long. And every time I've done this, I've made it too long. So when you cut it, if you make it too long, okay, like I did just there, look, it's way too long. Not a big deal. You can just cut part of it off. Okay. Then you'll put just a strip of glue on the back. And then I usually hold it down for about 20 seconds. Okay. And I don't glue the sides so that you can kind of see his cape is sticking out. All right. Okay, here we go, guys. There's our little Harry Potter puppet, all right? And then if you have your Hedwig puppet, you can kind of do a little bit of a little skit. The Hedwig puppet is what we did a couple of days ago. All right, guys, I'd love to see your Harry Potter puppet, so take a picture and post it for me, all right? See you soon.